Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is a really quick impromptu video, just making some cards, so I hope that you enjoy. I had so much fun making them and seeing the final product, and so let's just get right into it. So I have been trying to record this for a good minute now because I keep on slipping up on the word graduation, and I don't know why. It's probably because it's really late, but anyway, it is graduation season and also a lot of birthdays are happening. So I just decided to sit down and make these cards, and I had fun. It was a little bit challenging for me, but they came out really nicely. As you can see, I'm just starting off by cutting off all the excess paper so that my cards measure 5 by 7, and then I will get into the decorations later. I'm staying right here until I hear from you. My soul is dancing, and I am broken. You can make me whole again. So to decorate, I usually use a few different things. I just use whatever I can find at the 99-cent store that I think can really work. Mostly stickers and ribbon. So like these kind of sticker gems. I have a lot of different colors and assortments because I use them a lot. I'm definitely gonna need gold. I need to get some more. This is all that I have, sadly. I also like to use ribbons, so I'm not sure if any of these cards really are going to need a bow, but I usually use a special hole punch for ribbon. I can consider it. I'll see. It depends on how I feel while I'm decorating. And none of these cards have pop-up elements today because I'm doing some really simple cards. So I'm just going to go ahead and work with what I have. Now, I know that this definitely needs some gold gold stickers, and this one also. I'm gonna need to get some more. I guess I don't know if I should. I'm probably just gonna go to the store tomorrow and pick up some more so I can make it look the way that I know I really want it to look. For this one, I'll probably use both gold and silver gems to decorate it, just to be able to add a lot because, you know, it's a pretty simple card. As I said, I was going simple with these cards. But usually I have a lot of different decoration elements, like even this crown, for example, would probably pop up, but I really wanted to just do something really simple and get it done. This is pretty good for what it is. So that card is done, and I'm basically just gonna go through and decorate the rest. for this card, I actually wanted to use pop-up flowers, but I'm not sure how well they would fit into the envelope, or the card would fit into the envelope. But I have a few flowers that I made with my Cricut some time back and did not end up using, and I also have these flowers from the 99-cent store. Let's see. Like, this would probably be too big. But I can probably try to add the smaller flowers and see how that works out. So as I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'll just set this over here and continue on with the next card that I want to decorate. This one, I'm not really too sure what I want to put on this one. I wish I had some blue gems. That would really be helpful, but I don't, so I guess I'll just keep on using the silver. Okay, I'm starting to smell the glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick my flower down. Still fit, and I also have larger envelopes, so I can try with the larger one if it does not, but of course I would love for it to fit in the envelope that matches the size of the card. It might not though. Okay, I mean, it's a little bit bulky. It's a little bit bulky, but it definitely fits. So I don't think I have anything to worry about. And I just thought of a really cool idea for one of the cards as I'm looking at it, and I'm really excited to get to it now. This card. I need to fill in the cap. I think it would look really cool if I do that. Now I could fill it in with all silver, or I can fill it in with silver and pink, Or maybe I can outline it with pink and fill it with silver. I'm not really sure what I want to do. I think I have enough pink to outline it. I think. But definitely not enough to fill it. So, you know what? I'm just going to go with silver. Play it safe. Oh, I wonder if it was recording all of that. I have 10% left. Let's see if I can finish all of these cards before the iPad dies. Yeah, I'm probably not going to finish these cards before this runs out of batteries, so I'm just gonna pause this here. Put the iPad to charge, and once I'm finished, I will check back in. Alright, I am back and all the cards are done. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:15 a.m.
Okay. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with how they came out. This is this one. It's pretty cute. I love all the glitter. It took me forever to do all the numbers, but it came out cute. I didn't end up putting anything on the inside of them, so yeah, this is the cover. That one. This one, super simple. I added a few sparkles. I'm just gonna go through. This is how this one came out. Yeah. Yep. A lot of blend. Is that how you say blend? I'm still really happy about this one, about the flowers. And yeah, so that was everything. Thank you for watching. This was really quick, just a little midnight card craft activity, I guess. No, that's not the word. Just me trying to get these cards done ahead of time before I need to actually cram to do them, and it feels really good to have all of them done ahead of time. In total, it's 11 cards if I'm not mistaken, and I'm really happy with how they came out. Anyway, congrats to anyone who is graduating this season, and happy birthday to every birthday celebrant. And yeah, that's it. Bye.